Join me as I take on the challenge of trying out 10 amazing English science experiments that are perfect for kids. Let's see which ones really blow our minds. Today, we're counting down the top 10 coolest science experiments that you can easily try at home with your kids. We've got some mind-blowing, jaw-dropping, and just plain awesome experiments that are not only fun, but also educational. From homemade volcanoes to dancing raisins, we're going to explore the amazing world of science and make learning fun for kids. One of the biggest challenges I face as a parent is finding engaging and educational science experiments that are safe and fun for my kids to do. I mean, let's be honest, not every experiment is created equal, and some can be downright boring. But I've scoured the internet and found the most amazing experiments that are not only easy to set up but also produce some truly astonishing results. I've lost count of how many times I've seen my kids' faces light up when they see something they can't explain. And that's exactly what we're going for with these experiments. We want to inspire their curiosity, encourage them to ask questions, and show them that science is all around us. The experiments I've chosen are all easy to set up, use household items, and are completely safe for kids of all ages. So, let's get started and dive into the world of slime, explosions, and chemical reactions. First up, we have the Mentos and Diet Coke explosion. This one is a classic, and for good reason. It's easy to set up, produces an amazing reaction, and is a great way to teach kids about chemical reactions. All you need is a bottle of Diet Coke, some Mentos, and a backyard or a big space. Simply drop the Mentos into the Diet Coke, stand back and watch as the soda erupts in a fizzing frenzy. Next, we have the homemade lava lamp experiment. This one is a great way to teach kids about density and buoyancy. You'll need some vegetable oil, water, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer tablets, and a clear plastic bottle. Simply fill the bottle with vegetable oil and water, add some food coloring, and then break in an Alka-Seltzer tablet. Watch as the colored water rises and falls in a psychedelic pattern. Our third experiment is the dancing raisins experiment. This one is a great way to teach kids about density and buoyancy. You'll need some raisins, a glass, and some soda. Simply fill the glass with soda, add some raisins, and then watch as they dance up and down in the carbonated water. One experiment that really caught my attention was the walking water experiment. This one is a great way to teach kids about capillary action and the power of water. You'll need 3 cups, some water, and some food coloring. Simply place a cup in the middle, surrounded by 2 empty cups, and then add a few drops of food coloring to the middle cup. Watch as the colored water walks from one cup to the next. But the one experiment that really blew my mind was the baking soda and vinegar volcano. This one is a classic, and for good reason. It's easy to set up, produces an amazing reaction, and is a great way to teach kids about chemical reactions. All you need is some baking soda, vinegar, clay, and a plastic bottle. Simply create a mini volcano using the clay, pour in some baking soda, and then add some vinegar. Watch as the volcano erupts in a fizzing frenzy. The baking soda and vinegar volcano is definitely one of my favorite experiments. There's just something about the combination of the two ingredients that produces an amazing reaction. And the best part is that it's so easy to set up and customize. You can create your own mini volcano using clay, paper mache, or even recycled materials. But what I love most about this experiment is the surprise factor. Kids have no idea what's going to happen when you mix the baking soda and vinegar, and that's what makes it so exciting. They get to see the reaction happen right before their eyes, and it's just amazing to see the look on their faces. So, if you're looking for a fun and educational science experiment to try with your kids, I highly recommend giving the baking soda and vinegar volcano a try. It's easy, it's fun, and it's a great way to teach kids about chemical reactions. In conclusion, these 10 amazing science experiments are not only fun and educational, but also easy to set up and safe for kids of all ages. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or just a science enthusiast, I hope these experiments inspire you to get creative and make learning fun. Thanks for watching, and if you have any favorite science experiments, be sure to share them in the comments below. And if you want to see more fun and educational science experiments, be sure to check out my other videos for more ideas and inspiration. Happy experimenting!